What is pizza? Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world. It is built on a simple concept flat bread with toppings baked at high temperature and eaten without utensils. The convenience and variety of toppings choices make pizza a quick and easy meal. Who invented pizza? While flat bread and toppings existed in countries like Greece and Egypt, it was the city of Naples, Italy that can be claimed to the origin of pizza in the 1700 and 1800. Flatbreads baked with toppings like oil, tomato, cheese, and garlic were popular fare among the working classes. They were sold at inexpensive restaurants and street cars. Pizza got a boost in popularity when the Italian king Umberto I and Queen Margherita visited Naples in 1861. The real pear sampled to the local fare and the king was enamored with the pizza topped with. The real pear sampled the local the real pear sampled the local fare and the king was enamored with the pizza topped with tomatoes, soft cheese, and basils. Here, affinity for the dish leads to its being renamed Pizza Margherita, which is still popular today. Pizza remained a local specialty in Naples until the 1900. When immigrants introduced it into America, the dish caught on and soon chefs were inventing with toppings and sauce. By the end of the World War II, American-style pizza was a global favorite. What is pizza made out of? What is pizza made out of? If you are wondering, if you are wondering how to make pizza, it is actually fairly simple. Pizza has three main elements. The first one crust, the second one sauce, the third one toppings. All of them have a variety of preparation methods. The first one, crust. Crust. Traditional pizza crust is similar to bread dough. It is a combination of flour, water, yeast, sugar, salt, and oil. The dough is mixed, kneaded, and allowed to rise. Once it is ready, it can be pulled or rolled flat. You can find crust made with in whole a wheat flour. A gluten-free crust or crust made from ingredients like cauliflower. Sauce. Second one, sauce. A typical red sauce for pizza contains tomato paste, water, oil, and seasoning like salt, peppers, and garlic. The ingredients are mixed and cooked until the flavors come together. It is then spread in a thin layer over the crust. Variations on pizza sauce include white sauce, which usually has a rose base and flavoring like garlic. The third one, toppings. Cheese is the classic pizza topping. Mozzarella or a combination of mozzarella and cheese like Romano and Parmesan are the most popular. Cheese is sprinkled over the crust and sauce. Additional toppings are added according to the taste. Popular toppings include pepperoni, mushrooms, olives, peppers, anchovies, sausage, bacon, onions. The options for pizza toppings are endless and you can order specialty pizzas with nearly any toppings you can like. Once the pizza is put together, it is cooked in hot oven until the crust is baked through and the cheese is melted. It is then served hot.